I wanted today to explain the importance of not getting finger marks on your material before printing. And these gloves are just absolutely superb. They are easy to put on, unlike a lot of the latex stuff, and then on top of which they have a lovely surface that grips nicely, and when you pick up material you don't leave any residue or fingerprints, because certainly when you put the material into a printer and print, leaving fingerprints on it will ensure it doesn't print as well as it could. Now, whether it's reflective or whether it's on acetate, the same principle applies. They are really good, and as I say, so easy to take off and on, just like that. And they're absolutely essential part of making number plates and making good quality number plates. Thank you.